I'm gonna give y'all my complete, raw, unfiltered week one review, week one thoughts on YouTube. I'm kind of give y'all my plan going forward. I had in 1 week on YouTube, I had about 8-9K views total, 63 subscribers, or nah, 63 watch hours, and then about 26 gained subscribers. So I'm gonna kind of give y'all what I've learned so far, my plan going forward. I want to hear y'all's plans going forward. We all small creators just trying to grow. So I want to hear what y'all thinking in the comments. What algorithm tips y'all know, because I've done a lot of research on the algorithm myself. But first, we gotta pause. Look at these cribs, man. Sheesh, they building a bunch down there. That crib there, fire. I ain't trying to show too much, but if y'all want to see more, definitely comment and subscribe, because they are inspirational. They really keep me going on this YouTube grind, because I'm trying to get one. We all gonna get one, man. Throw a like up. We all gonna be living up on this YouTube stuff. But yeah, as far as for my first week and what I've learned, I'm definitely learning that engagement is the best thing to get your videos out. Number one, I'm learning that YouTube is trying to push small content creators out. Just because I believe it's to combat TikTok and everything, because y'all know TikTok had got really good at putting people on and creating influencers, and just people starting from scratch and blowing up. And I think YouTube is recognized that and is trying to put their own little spin on it. That's why people are really liking this real, authentic, genuine content, as I want to have minimal edits, minimal cuts. I'm keeping my thumbnails all generic and authentic as well, just because I think that's what TikTok is really liking. Again, let me know y'all's thoughts. But engagement is huge, man. Engagement is huge. Most of my views and subscribers, came from shorts. But as far as my YouTube videos, I only have one video that's really got some real traction to this point. And that's the one where I was kind of talking about football and my experience and why I quit and all that. I'll put that video right here in that little eye thing. But yeah, man, that one got a lot of comments. And so once I saw it get a few comments is when I knew that it would get real traction. View time and the whole watch time retention thing also is obviously really important. I'm sure y'all knew that. But what I think has really worked for me, and it's a strategy that I'm gonna keep doing, is posting these shorts, because essentially it's no extra work. I know a lot of people don't like to edit their videos at all, especially today in these modern days where YouTube is pushing out this genuine content, like I just said. But I think CapCut has made it really, really easy and really, really simple to edit videos and stuff like that. So what I did with that is just, I can take the long form video that I already am making, already putting out, and just put it on CapCut and make little shorts from that. So just take a 30-45 second segment that I really like from my video, really think that people would mess with, and I make that in shorts. And I'm posting 2 to 3 shorts a day, and them shorts are really getting 1 or 2 subscribers each, really. And so eventually those are gonna add up. I got 10 subscribers so far from the one video I was just talking about. But like I said, I really want to put more emphasis on the shorts, just because it is nice. Y'all probably like how he go from that neighborhood to pure nature, man. I do love this part about it. Look at this calm, still water. This part just really lets me come here and kind of ease my mind, simple my mind. And that's the thing, I forget the success of YouTube. I'm really enjoying the YouTube grind, the YouTube journey itself. And I encourage y'all to do the same thing. Just because it forces me to do stuff like this. It forces me to get outside, get active. It forces me to walk. It's keeping me busy. A lot of bad habits, I'm trying to replace and everything. I deleted social media to focus on YouTube, and it's really worked. I'm not permanently deleting it. I just temporarily deleted it. But it's really been a great journey, because like I said, I'm not bored anymore. I'm constantly thinking of ways that I can try to get this better. That's why I really want to make it. Y'all please throw a like, because and I also heard that talking about YouTube in today's, and because talking about YouTube is kind of like a trend, especially how easy it is in 2025. That's why y'all have seen tons of videos. I'm knowing YouTube is so easy in 2025. Yeah, that's all intentional. They're trying to push it out more and do more of it. I'm trying to decide, do I go down to my spot where I'm normally where I normally hang out here. We'll see. But yeah, man. Talking about YouTube is supposedly very good for the algorithm, so that's a little tidbit there. I want y'all to, or if this video has good success, if y'all are new people and seeing it, clearly it works, so try it out for yourself. Because like I said, man, my whole goal with this is just to grow together. I really just want to be somebody. I kind of want to be that. I want to be the person that I was looking for when I was kind of hesitant and procrastinating on starting YouTube. Because my whole time I knew, yeah, I don't feel like going down. But the whole time I knew I was going to start a YouTube eventually. But it was just like, it seems like all the initial creators, oh, the water is really high. Y'all can't even tell, but like usually that tree is under the water. But yeah, I wanted to be that person that, cause like I said, I've been procrastinating on starting a YouTube for a minute, and I definitely would have started faster if I had more real authentic journeys. And it's just tons of them on the internet right now. And that's what another lady I watched was saying, that like you should hop on trends. So this is me hopping on a trend, man. I'm hopping on the documenting my journey on YouTube. Hopefully this gets some traction. Hopefully this is informative for y'all. I know I can get to rambling and get to off topic, but like I said, man, just get y'all's watch times up. Keep your thumbnails simple, bro. I think a lot of y'all are trying to make your thumbnails too complicated these days. Y'all gotta remember that the thing right now and the thing that's in for YouTube is just authenticity, because it's flooded. It's flooded with all the people who are spinning out. And that's the thing. I'm at a point where it really don't take much to make a video at all. You know, I probably take 10 minutes to record it, 5 minutes to plan what I'm gonna say and everything, and then I just keep it straight with, try to avoid as many cuts as possible. And then only because I put the subtitles, it'd be taking like 20, 30 minutes to edit. If I ain't put the subtitles, we probably taking 10 minutes to edit, and boom, in 30 minutes, you got a video. Of course, I'm gonna go daily. Oh, that's another thing. I do really plan on going daily. Trying to make sure y'all can see me in the sun over here. I do plan on going daily just because the algorithm apparently favors people who are consistent, people who are consistently posting, people consistently putting their stuff out there. So I do want to keep doing that. And also, it just gives you a heightened chance of success. You got to think, like, that's simple math. Bro, I don't think posting once or twice a week is enough to get momentum going, at least at the beginning stages. You know, maybe once you get a subscriber base, because then you're having your subscribers watch your stuff. But at the beginning, man, you got to get the content out there, bro. That's my plan. I'm really trying to get that content out there, because then you increase your chances. Like I said, it's simple math. You know, if you have a 5% chance of going viral and you put 20 videos out there, you have a way higher chance than if you put 5 videos out there. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going a video every single day in this month. People are like, man, no way you gonna stick to it. I don't even think it'll be that hard, to be honest. And please subscribe so y'all can see. If y'all don't believe me, subscribe so I can prove you wrong. And you can go check out my other old videos and all that too while you're at it. But yeah, I think consistency is king. Apparently, like I said, apparently the algorithm favors people who are consistent because they know that they can trust you. They know that you'll be somebody who, as people see and they mess with, they feel like that you'll, you know, consistently put out more stuff and more delivery. Man, I swear this walk is way shorter when I'm recording, bro. I feel like I'd be taking 10 minutes to get there normally, and I'm already walked there and back pretty much. But yeah, I feel like at this point I'm just yapping, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video there. I feel like there's more to talk about with my first week. I will say this, even though, you know, my numbers aren't staggering, my numbers aren't great, I'm for sure gonna keep it going just because I have got a little traction. I got a little momentum to where it's got me feeling good, you know. It do feel nice to think that 900 people are watching your video. 900 random people that could be doing anything with their day stopped and watched your video. So I do find that pretty cool. And I understand that this is just a start, because it's like every day I'm getting 2-3 subscribers. So you know what I'm saying? I might as well keep it going. I did already have a good bit of subscribers from the beginning, just because I remember I had posted this one video as a kid that everybody loved. I might unprivate it, and I just had like 20 people subscribe me from that. That video got like 700 views itself. But I mean, it's mad old, mad irrelevant to my life now. Comment if you want the video. And if you made it this far, you really are a real one. And we gonna make it together, man. We gonna grow together. Even if you ain't got your own channel, stay with me, because we gonna grow in life. YouTube is really just a start. Like, I'm just using YouTube as the avenue to get big so I can get a lot more going in life. So I really appreciate y'all. And as always, be good, be blessed. Peace.